Welcome to the Gadget Lane, where we explore the coolest gadgets and tech innovations. Today we're diving into 5 incredible products that can seriously upgrade your daily life. Let's jump right in. Coming in at number 5, we have the COLOP E-Mark Create. And this is perfect for anyone who needs custom stamps or markings on the go. This is a portable digital marking device that lets you create custom stamps, logos, and text directly from your smartphone. No ink pads, no mess, just pure digital convenience. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone, lets you create designs using the companion app, and is perfect for small businesses, crafters, or office use. It has a rechargeable battery and prints on paper, cardboard, wood, and fabric. At number 4, we have the Flextail MAX Pump 3, the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. This is a portable, rechargeable electric pump that's incredibly compact but surprisingly powerful. It's ultra-lightweight and pocket-sized, has both inflate and deflate functions, a USB-C rechargeable battery, and multiple nozzle attachments included. It can inflate air mattresses, pool floats, camping gear, and more. The Flextail MAX Pump 3 does the job in seconds. Sliding in at number 3, we have something truly beautiful, the Gingko Smart Moon Lamp. This isn't just a lamp, it's a piece of art. It has a realistic moon surface based on NASA imagery, multiple color modes including warm white and cool white touch control options, rechargeable battery with long battery life. This lamp creates an incredible ambiance. Perfect for gifts too. Imagine giving this to someone who loves space, astronomy, or just unique home decor. It's an instant conversation starter. Coming in strong at number 2, we have the GravaStar Alpha65 Charger. And this is where tech meets sci-fi design. It has 65-watt power output that charges laptops, tablets, and phones. GaN technology means it's smaller and more efficient than traditional chargers. Multiple ports, including USB-C and USB-A. Unique mecha-inspired design. Built-in LED lights for that extra flair. And it's compact and travel-friendly. First, the design. This thing looks like it came straight out of a Transformers movie. If you're tired of boring, plain chargers and want something that reflects your love for tech and design, the GravaStar Alpha65 is calling your name. And finally, at number 1, the game changer I promised, the LapLok Universal Anti-Theft Device. The LapLok is a portable security solution that physically locks your laptop to any surface, giving you peace of mind wherever you work. It has a universal design that works with any laptop brand and size, attaches to desks, tables, or any flat surface using strong adhesive pads, combination lock mechanism, ultra-portable design that folds flat to fit in your laptop bag, no drilling or permanent installation required, and can also be used for tablets and monitors. For digital nomads, students, remote workers, or anyone who works in public spaces, this is an absolute must-have. The peace of mind alone is worth the investment. Plus, it's reusable and portable. Throw it in your bag and take it anywhere. And there you have it, 5 incredible gadgets that can genuinely improve your daily life. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Gadget Lane for more tech reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.